Welcome back to yet another unboxing video, and today it's the classic find, Mastermind. Easy to learn, easy to play, but it's not so easy to win. Again, another budget store find. Let's see what this is all about. Break the hidden code in this game of cunning and logic, with built-in storage trays for pegs and flip-top code shield that stays securely in place for two players ages 8 to adult. Pressman since 1922, maker of Try on the Nose. Okay. Let's flip it up. Easy to learn, easy to play, but not so easy to win. Intriguing, thought-provoking, a battle of wits and logic. For decades, this fascinating game has been challenging players' deductive skills in unique and creative ways. The rules are simple and the game is quick to play, but with more than 2,000 possibilities and a different solution each game, it offers a mind-bending challenge every time. This terrific game, which combines skill, luck, and fun, has been an inexhaustible source of entertainment for decades and decades. Intriguing. Break the hidden code in this game of cunning and logic. Discover the secret behind this international success story. Thought-provoking. A fascinating game of deduction. In 10 moves or less, the codebreaker must crack the codemaker's secret color peg code. Fun for everyone. It's easy to learn and easy to play, but with more than 2,000 possibilities to choose the one solution from, it's not so easy to win. Mastermind was invented in 1970 by Mordecai Mirowitz, an Israeli postmaster and telecommunications expert. Over the course of the decade, it became the most popular game of the 1970s, winning numerous awards and generating legions of dedicated fans. Since that time, more than 55 million copies have been sold. The box you are holding is an authentic replica of an early Mastermind box from the 1970s, and the game board inside is made with the oldest surviving Mastermind plastics mold. So it's as close to the original version as we could possibly make it. We hope you enjoyed it as much as the millions of people before you who have dared to try to crack the code. 2 players, ages 8 to adult. Available only at Target. Okay, you get a decoding board, 108 code pegs, 40 key pegs, and complete instructions. So it's by Pressman. This came out. This is the 2015 version. So let's crack this bad boy open and let's see what they're talking about. And there's the Mastermind tray. This is where you put your unused pegs. This is the lid that stays in place. You put your code here, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chances to crack that code. Okay. That is the game. And the instructions. Object of the game, contents to begin, game number 1. Key to examples. Example A, codemaker's secret codes. Codebreaker's attempt to duplicate secret code. Codemaker's response. Example B. Example C. Example D. Game number 2. Score a series of games. That's all there really is to Mastermind. The only suggestion we have to make it is that if the codebreaker continually takes too long, a time at his turn, time limit of 3 or 4 minutes per turn be set. Have fun. There's your rule book, which I printed out because, again, this is a budget store find. I bought this for $3, and it didn't have the rules, so I went online and found it and printed it out. These are black and white pegs they talked about. These are for correct or incorrect answers. You get a whole bunch of those. card markers as well. Made out of hard plastic. You got turquoise, blue, yellow, red, black, and white. And there we are. Take it out so you can see them. As you can tell, you just pop them in here, like so. And you've got to figure out the code. And there you have it. And that's everything you need to play the game Mastermind. Thank you again for joining me for this unboxing. Be safe, be well, enjoy, throw us a like, and subscribe. And of course, thank you for watching. Be safe, be well, and we'll catch you on the next video. Enjoy your day.